Hello everyone, welcome to HPM Tech. Google Retail all new metrics designing CUI complaint increase update negative resort its timing Android 12 and Pixel 6 launch in any Google biggest have already been update metrics UI 2021 Android due submit Google fully detect metrics designing 3 and show all updates UI complete this update using will take this a few step metrics designation 3 always more technical news Google latest designing system that's use target developers and recommends numeral and help definite material to something and also place company material use these published faking and friendly most rank advertise the Pixel 6 the material designing the team already published full deployment and what is changing trying to enter these new departments and building up the biggest changing have been negative targets in application negative was the negative was we positive returns and to button negative in M2 and more collaboration and improvement the currency as tab US note filter icon and constant shipping action and test strategy response online icons and all updates metrics you have uploaded complete Gmail and destination back M3 area shortly affect launch its Mac planning few drop negative table real management and all launch screen and button will FVA improvement before drive top app bar other communicate new interest top bar and few visitor center small medium and large the bigger different how to this top show colors awareness space top out bar and content FAB looking for format action FP which making use boxing chip similar wrist also small FPA the most Xmat FPA merchandise and creation promote button the use and icon option explode FPA is smart but share the system in simpler mode UK into buttons other pill space buttons is filter out and next Google notes that button sense is first respect M2 well cars every these type of cars after filtering on authorized Google key and general content displays increase content longer shade for chips method designing 3 is 4 type of rounder range chips extend filter input and suggestion there's respect option especially content you can button with percentage action chip have been spent your SS chip suggested choose chips are now submit these chips dialog listing these two type of basic and full screen Palma viewer and noted the great padding to account for increased content response size. Recorded app is already improved this. We detected auto FTSV income earning out of affiliate links more. Check out now to Google your YouTube more news. About other edited chief increase the metrics Google and affiliate tips and talks other motors. Tensor second update in Workspace. Google Tensor and second green update in the work like for Pixel 7. New address suggested Pixel 7 be unsafe for secondary generation Google chips. The Pixel 6 Pro format launch today 7. It's updated Google News line to chips creation is something and Google Tensor chips and optimization Google estimate according to documents province viewed by 9 to 5 Google cooled chips and costed secondary generation version. A news published Android core chips more Google Pixel update screen 1656 answer your Pixel and 6 at Pro question. A few errors Pixel 6 Pro unit screen have mirror display issues weak powered off videos analytes Android 12 hits at Google is working in brand Pixel 6. Best use missed. Welcome bonus $600. Respond and other personal detect pre-order now that we only have what is week after release date and get it. I am more conservative GS 101 will get Pixel 6a will the Pixel 6 still sells. I am equal constantly get intro Chromebook be something I will make enrolled. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel HPM Tech for latest mission update. Press the bell icon.